Let's say you're just chilling here and you just lean your body forward a little bit and it's very stable. Bruh. So by far what impresses me the most about this thing is the Brembo brakes with a stopping power. All you have to do is just pull back and it brakes. So a few notes to take about me following in this video. Number one is I did not have any protection. Don't be stupid, buy yourself a helmet, get yourself some knee pads, some elbow pads, and protect yourself. Number two is this is a prototype. I was clearly told this is a prototype, pretty much ride at your own risk. And so I did. And I pushed it to the limit. So that's number three. If you know that you're riding a prototype and you don't have any protection to begin with, don't push the thing to the limits. And I did that, and it ultimately ended up failing at some point because this is still something that's being worked on. It's not a complete product, and I ended up falling on my face, and that was not fun. So I actually ended up spending my Christmas day in the urgent care and then in the emergency after that, and a few bruises and a lot of pain for the next coming weeks, but I'm perfectly fine now, thank you. So yeah, other than that, I just want to say thank you to everyone who stuck around and watched the video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this amazing machine. If you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another.